School of Hotel and Tourism Management excels in every aspect of education. We have a good balance of esteemed faculty members, cutting-edge research initiatives, unparalleled industry connections, and bespoke program design. We nurture professionals in anticipation of what will be required. More importantly, we extend beyond boundaries and encourage innovative collaborations, contributing to the wider landscape of the industry.
Excellence means the commitment to uphold the highest standards in whatever one undertakes. SHTM is renowned for its top-tier academic programs that consistently evolve with industry trends and demands. The training is dynamic, and the knowledge gains is comprehensive, and as a result, it is highly sought after by faculty members and students worldwide. While we have no doubts about the extensive networks that students can access through the programs and various placement opportunities, faculty members are equally provided with ample networking opportunities that truly facilitates the exchange of insights, foster industry collaborations, and translate research initiatives into practical applications.
Our industry is very competitive. We are constantly challenged by new technologies and changing customer behavior, while also under the impact of pressing public health issues and social events. To sustain our leading edge, we must embrace a forward-looking perspective, investing resources to research, highlighting areas for ongoing developments, and in turn strengthening our adaptation to industry shift. SHTM is dedicated to pioneering top-notch research within the specialized domains of hospitality and real estate. Our research is interdisciplinary with a focus of real-life applications. Through the establishment of the Center of Hospitality and Real Estate Research, we provide an outstanding platform for knowledge exchange and data sharing. Coupled with our exceptional industry affiliations, students are equipped with an excellent foundation that prepares them for promising future careers.
The unrivaled excellence of the School of Hotel and Tourism Management is dependent on the quality and dedication of its people. If you ask me, I always think that the school's superb reputation is an outcome of its people-centric learning environment. We learn to be sensitive and inclusive, as the industry is all about serving people. Through a variety of projects and internship opportunities, our interpersonal skills have grown, and we have cultivated a people-first mindset. Our teachers and mentors are always there offering unwavering support and valuable advice, leading by example and helping us overcome a lot of challenges and struggles. I'm immensely grateful for what I have gained from the School of Hotel and Tourism Management.
School of Hotel and Tourism Management, the Chinese University of Hong Kong, ahead of the future.